Today's offering a little 3-point linkage field roller, adjustable weights. So cast roller there in 3 sections. There's joints in the roller, 1 and 2, and then you can add or take away concrete blocks to your heart's content. Connects up there on your 3-point linkage, so it's nice and tight in behind your tractor. I've only just done 1 strip. I'm going to go and set the video up and you can do more. Bearings are good, it's not all wobbling about. These are parking it up stands, you drop them down, stops it rocking once you get where you're going and you've decided you're leaving it in the yard or whatever. And it just connects on Cat 1 linkages like that, look. Super simple. Watch the rest of the video, see it doing its thing.